Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this car interior windscreen cleaner from Ultimate Speed. 3 years warranty, well okay, 3 years warranty, it will last, who knows, for a streak-free windscreen with a pivoting head for quick and practical cleaning, handle extends for hard to reach places, 2 interchangeable microfiber pads, 1 high pile and 1 short pile. Well, let's open to see what we have inside. And of course we've got the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. There is the high pile. Soft, I like it. And the short pile. And it says you can wash it under 40 Celsius. Nice. Use it and wash it as many times you want. 100% polyester. Okay. And there is the tool, adjustable, up and down. Unscrew and pull and then screw it back. And I am applying force and it's not closing. Definitely you can clean and apply force when you are cleaning. Now let's install again. Let's say the high pile, very easy to install. Grab from the down and then up, and that was all easy. And again, unscrew, unfold and screw back, and that was all. Nice. I can see here we've got in this. Okay, I don't see any reason to have that. But okay, we have it. Screw here, you can unscrew if you want. I like this soft area, red. Definitely you can grab it very well and clean. Find the right detergent for windscreen cleaning. You can clean from inside of your car or from outside of your car, it doesn't matter. Definitely it will do the job. I have tried it. I have 2 of these products and it is amazing. The most difficult part is to clean from inside. Hard to reach the areas. You are trying to reach the corners with your hand. It is too difficult. That's why this is a great tool. It is like a hand extension. Take it and do your job. Clean any corners of your car. Definitely it will do the job. And have a clean inside and outside windscreen. And the great part, guys, it is that it costs only €1.99. Only €2. Amazing. Definitely it is the accessory that you need to have it at your car and at any time clean your windscreen. And of course you can clean and the back windscreen. Yeah, why not? It can do the job. Definitely, and the back, it is a hard to reach area. And why not? You can clean the passenger doors, the driver doors, back or front. Yeah, sure. You've got 2 microfiber pads. Wash it at any time. Have it clean in your car and use it whenever and wherever you want. When you are traveling, after a long time of traveling, definitely your windscreen, it will be dirty. Well guys, that was all about. I like it, just buy it. Don't even think about it, just buy it. Unscrew, fold and screw back. And it is small and cute. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. And that was all. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.